Mahatma Gandhi is a spiritual leader who was born in India. The attitude and speech of the phrase make IT a world famous source of inspiration. Without any interference, he is present at the Indian independence celebration. People with the first name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi frequently discuss the sacrosanct nature of their way of life. When Mahatma Gandhi spoke, IT was alarming how frequently he was hailed as a hero and quoted in various social media outlets. Mahatma Gandhi, who is no longer with us, also makes a strong case for serving as a role model for the current generation. For IT is not just the behavior that is strong and clear truth or that has been persistently cheated. We need not wait to see what others do. Freedom is not worth having if IT does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Though we can never forgive, forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. We will not let anyone walk through my mind with their teeth. Change yourself. You are in control. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. The greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being humana.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever.
Love is the strongest force the world possesses. Non-violence is a weapon of the strong. An ounce of practice is worth 1,000 words.
Be the change that you want to see in the world, Lord.
Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Man is supposed to be the maker of his destiny. IT is only partly true. He can make his destiny only insofar as he is allowed by the great power. And but the product of his thoughts, what hate him, he becomes. Service which is rendered without joy, holds neither the servant nor the servant. A coward is incapable of exhibiting love. IT is the prerogative of the brave. There provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. I know uttered from, the deepest conviction is better than I esmeralda uttered to please, or was, to avoid trouble. The difference between what we do and what we are capable of doing will suffice to solve the world's problems. We may stumble and fall but shall rise again. IT should be enough if we did not run away from the battle. Power is of two kinds. One is obtained by the fear of punishment and the other by acts of love. Power based on love is 1,000 times more effective and permanent than the one derived from fear of punishment. When I admire the wonders of a sunset or the beauty of the moon, my soul expands in the worship of the Creator. My religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. Many people, especially ignorant people, want to punish you for speaking the truth, for being correct, for being you. Never apologize for being correct, or for being correct, or for being years ahead of your time. If you're right and you know IT, speak your mind. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is still the truth. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirt, the ocean does not become dirty. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no result. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. If I have the belief that I can do IT, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do IT even if I may not have IT at the beginning. Ano uttered from the person vition is better than a yes merely uttered to please, or worse, to avoid trouble. There is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. It supersedes all other courts. It cannot conceive of a greater loss than the loss of one's self-respect. You don't know who is important to you until you actually lose them. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace. The future depends on what you do today. An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. Glory lies in the attempt to reach one's goal and not in reaching it. Hate the sin, love the sinner. When you are right, you have no need to be angry. When you are wrong, you have no right to be angry. I remain an optimist because of my unflinching faith that right must prosper in the end. Prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. Prayer is not asking. It is a longing of the soul. It is daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart.